The stir-fry noodles are among our favorite Chinese dishes. We make them for everyday meals, but also for festive meals. These noodles can be accommodated in an infinite number of ways. I propose you to make stir-fry noodles with shrimp. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak 4 shiitake mushrooms for at least 4 hours. Then squeeze them to remove the water. Then cut them into pieces. Peel 400 grams of shrimp. Cut them along the back and remove the intestinal vein if necessary. Cut 2 onions into chunks. Chop 4 garlic cloves. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Cut 3 spring onions and 20 grams of cilantro in 2 sections. To prepare the sauce, put in a bowl 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 of teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of teaspoon of ground pepper. Combine all together. Cook 500 grams of noodles in a pot of boiling water over high heat. During cooking, untangle them when they become more softened. The noodles that I use are quite thick. I cook them for 4 minutes. If you use thinner noodles, take them out as soon as they come up to the surface. Drain them. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, add half of the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When the garlic starts to brown, put the shrimp. Half teaspoon of salt. A pinch of ground pepper. 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Stir for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Keep aside. Stir-fry the noodles in the same pan without rinsing it. Put 2 tablespoons of oil over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the remains of garlic and the ginger. Stir from time to time. When they start to brown, put the mushrooms and the onion. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the noodles and the sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Add the shrimp. Briefly stir. Then add 250 grams of bean sprouts. Briefly stir. Finally, put the spring onion and the cilantro. Briefly stir and cut the fire. Bon appétit! The flavor of the shrimp has spread through the noodles. Try this delicious dish to understand why Chinese like it so much. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.